Well, hello. So we're here in Tokyo. But today we'll have an adventure because first time namin mag-Tsukiji seafood market. Enjoy. We're gonna cross now. That's Lawson over there. They have a money changer in there. So if you want, now this Hoshino coffee, I had coffee there this morning. Really nice. They play jazz music, and you can have really nice cup of coffee. There's another coffee place there. They play Beatles music the whole time. I'll show it to you later. So that whole area going there is the fish market. So we're about to enter the fish market. Not even sure if that's what it's called. So ayan po siya. Hello. Look at that. There's octopus, salmon, there's lobsters. Almost everybody's in here. All the tourists coming. Really popular area. See that guy? See his statue? I think that's him. See the grilled stuff. Yeah. And we can have a lobster and those. Some clams, and then I'll get him takoyaki.
Yeah.
Yeah. See? Ay, hello! Pilipino ka? Kuya?
Hindi siya Pilipino.
Okay bang?
Tagalog siya.
Ito pala, Pilipino. O, scallops ka. Scallop. Hindi, ito masarap din ito eh.
It's the eel.
Eel, oo. Oo.
Basta anything or shrimp or lobster, no?
Okay. Oh, okay daw siya dito, honey.
Okay ka dito?
Mm-mm. Pilipino ka? Ay, ba't marunong siya mag-hindi po?
Marunong na magtagalog.
Ay, ganyan. Puro pala kayo Pilipino dito.
Opo, bro. Para mali-siyam po kami lahat.
Ah. O, dito na kami kakain.
Dito na lang po sa
Okay, sige. Ano name mo?
Glimmer po sa...
Thank you, Glimmer. I was also looking at that place kanina eh. Kaya lang masyadong tago. And they have bowls here also. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung pinipilaan kanina. Yeah, and no, that's whiskey. Hibiki. Ito. The tuna daw here, yan, sarado na. Sobrang fatty.
Huh?
Extra fatty. Kaya ang sarap daw. Sarado na, oh. Pang umaga lang. We can try that tomorrow. Yeah, you wanna eat again? Ting. Whiskey, 40%. This is the
What?
Yeah. Wanna try? Here's the knife place. We don't have to buy it now, but we can always come back.
It's just walking distance.
And there's a bird.
Wanna try the Wagyu steaks?
Well, there's that one.
Ano yan?
I don't.
Skewer.
Is that real?
No. Ano yan? Makap.
Oh my God.
Yun yung ice cream, oh. Let's have ice cream. Oh, that's the one I was saying, Nate. Kanina yung pila nito hanggang doon. So it's egg omelette bread. Yes. 2 Kobe skewers on the way. Yeah.
Medium rare.
Medium rare. Yes, sir.
Oh, baby.
Hail. Thank you. So here is the skewers. Sarap.
Melts in your mouth.
Ganda naman ito.
Can I try? They're salt na.
Oh.
No.
Is this garlic?
Sarap.
And you know I never like steak.
There you go.
Finish the whole thing. It melts in your mouth.
Okay, upo kami ngayon dito sa gitna ng Ginza. Kasi pag Sunday, sarado tong street. Have a look. Yeah. So, hinihintay namin si Nate. Kasi andun pa siya sa loob ng Itoya. So, yan. Pagod na rin ka. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Hindi ka nalalamigan?
Nalalamig pa.
Sorry. Is for you. And this, Nate, thank you, is for you. Now you gotta read the note. Get the note. Oh, there.
We
Yeah.
are proud of you. Thank you.
Okay, the reason why we're proud of you is because you've done so well in school. Congratulations. Keep it up.
Thank you.
I'm very proud. Yeah, and this one is for you because we know you've gone through a rough patch. So,
Thank you.
of course, we got you the yellow ones,
Thank you, Baba.
and Nate got the blue.
I didn't even know you could have blue flowers, but okay.
Yeah, so those are yours.
What about you?
It's okay. I don't need
You're
one.
the one that's paying for this trip.
It's okay. Shibuya Tower Records Day. Shibuya Tower Records Day. Look at that.
Di ba parang kamukha ko siya?
Mas maganda ka naman yan. Pero ang pogi niyan. Siyempre, anak ko nandito sa K-pop level ng Tower Records. Sa inyo nung bata pa ako, nung Tower Records, dito talaga kami bumibili ng records. Di ba? Yung mga medyo bata-bata pa, noong 1990s, may Tower Records sa Philippines.
Ngayon, wala na.
Pero yung kaibigan ko si Twinkie used to work there.
Yeah.
Shout out to Twinkie. Sana one day bumalik yung Tower Records sa Philippines. And may nahanap ako dito. Nandito pala yung mga pamangkin namin. Ayan oh. DNA. Ay, hindi ba? Sorry. Parang DNA. Okay. So today, papunta po kami ng Kyoto. Sakay ng Shinkansen. Ayan po. First time namin.
No.
Hindi, mag-Kyoto.
Last year,
Mag-Kyoto. First time.
I thought you meant Shinkansen.
Ay, hindi naman. First time natin magpunta ng Shinkansen as a family. Last time po magpunta ng Kyoto, parang 10 years old pa lang ako. So we're taking, yeah, I think, that's 267 no Zomi. Yeah, that's first class.
No.
Yes. sa Kyoto Engine Ramen. Medyo popular daw dito to sa Kyoto, kaya number 6 kami.
7.
Huh?
7.
Hindi, 6 na. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh. Ay, ang sarap nung kinain namin. So, naglalakad-lakad muna kami dito. Ganda nito, oh. Bakit? Ah. Ganda, oh. Ay, Nato.
Kyoto's a bit more diverse
Hmm.
than Tokyo. Weirdly enough. Right?
Ko alam eh. Basta maganda. O yan, drugstore.
It's so deep.
Oo, sobra nga eh. Andito na kami sa room sa Mitsui, Kyoto. Ang ganda. Maliit lang siya, pero ayun, si Nate may separate bed. Kami dito. Tapos meron pang kainan. Ito yung TV. May banyong maganda. Kasi yung tinuluyan namin sa Tsukiji, ang liit-liit. Hirap na hirap ako. Liit-liit ko na nga. Sino yung banyo? Oh! Wow! May bathtub. Ganda. First night namin dito sa Kyoto. Sobra ako na-amaze sa technology nun. Yung ganun kabilis na train, di ba? Para ka nagpuntang Cebu. Pero 2 oras lang. Ganun ba kalayo yun? Parang Manila to Cebu. Hindi ko alam eh. Siguro Iloilo. O baka Bicol. Oo. So ayan, dumating na yung ganito. May pag-grind.
Press down.
Oh, may press down. Pero
Look, mine's already up face. We're not filming it.
ganyan. Ayan. Tapos dito mo i-dip yung sauce. Ay, yung cutlet pagdating is dip doon. Okay. At 30 minutes na wala pa. Yay! Dito pala yung pagkain. Yes,
See, this is why you don't trap restaurants the minute they start being slow, because then it comes. They're listening.
May English. Masyado may English. Anyway, eto na po.
Saan yung sa salad?
Oh,
Here's the sauce.
oh, yeah, thank you. No, this is the sauce I made for my cutlet. But this is for the salad. Hindi, anong gusto mo? Original o spicy?
Original.
Kukunin mo yung original. Ito. Yes. Yan, lagay mo ngayon dyan. Ay, idikdikin mo pa. Yes. Ito na ngayon yung salad. Sarap siya. Ha? Dapat pala nag-miso soup muna tayo. It's worth the wait. Parang 40 minutes na yan. So yan, binabad ko po dun sa sauce na ginawa ko. So sesame seed siya na diniktik. Tapos lalagay mo ngayon yung original sauce. Ito ngayon. Napakasarap. Kaya kung nandito po kayo sa Kyoto, hanapin niyo po itong Katsukura.
No.
Katsukura.
No.
Oo, yung pangalan. Murder si Mrs. itong shrimp. Kung may MSR lang ako, di ba? Ay, maganda yung naisip ko. Sabi yung kanin. Yung kanin nila. Answer for your wife.
Yung sauce, bibigyan ka nila ng bowl na may sesame seed. Just dudurugin mo yung sesame seed, tsaka mo lalagay ng sauce. Okay?
Kanina umaga nag-gym pa ako. So, bali wala. Ang sarap. Lagyan mo lang ng ball. People ball na siya. Gusto mo?
That's not a good joke.
Hindi mo lang alam. Ang dami tumawa sa'yo.
No.
Isang galon.
No.
Hindi na ako nakita sa menu. May pineapple. Bali dito sa gitna ng pork. May pineapple. So, ibig sabihin yung baboy kumain ng pineapple. Tapos ginunin niya. Ginunin. Oo. Ginunin. In-squeeze. Ako lang nagagawa mo. Feeling ko namamahay ako kasi nami-miss ko yung pusa.
This is really embarrassing.
Kaya kung nakakita ko nung umaga, iiyak ako. Yan, ito yung lulusutan mo. Ayun yung restaurant eh. Yan oh. So lulusutan mo to. Pag nalagpasan mo, hindi mo makikita. Wow. Wow.
I thought you were gonna go kita.
Wala na tayong ano eh. Espasyo. Hindi, I can order it. We can just compare the price. Oh, that's my guitar, Nate. Oh.
I know.
It's on my butt. Here. Grabe. Ayan, papasok kami ng ni Jojo Castle. Nakakainis kasi umuulan pero fight lang. Oh, ito pala yung castle ni Jojo. Castle ni Jojo. Ito yung ticket.
Lamig. I'm freezing. I'm freezing. Oh, ano yung kinukuhanan mo? It's just your face. Kuhanan mo yun.
Where is that coming from?
Kuhanan mo yun.
Oh my god, no one wants to see that. No, I meant, no.
I don't know one. Ay, ito. Ni Jojo. Okay, so we got hungry. Sobrang pila ng mga nagustuhan namin. Pero may nahihanap si Nate. Sobrang random. Ito yung gusto kong puntahan eh, yung nagluluto pa. Walang tao rito. Tapos, diba? Luto-luto. The best. May kimchi sila. Okay, nandito kami sa Teramachi. Tama ba? Teramachi?
The one next to it.
have to say the food here in Kotetsu is amazing.
Kotetsu.
Koketsu?
Kotetsu.
Kotetsu. Sobrang sarap.
In where is this?
Teramachi.
Mall Street.
That's in Kyoto. So, i-grill mo yung niluluto mo. Super recommended. 5 stars. Good morning. Ayan, dito sa Kyoto, nakita namin. Yay! Yay! Thank you, Lord. Ang ganda, oh. Ano, Mami? It's lunchtime again here in Kyoto. At meron kasi kami kinainan noon sa malapit sa Mount Fuji last year. It's called Gyukatsu Kyoto Katsugyu. O baka Gyukatsu Katsugyu yun. So nag-originate pala yun dito sa Kyoto. And it's right there. So that's where we're gonna have lunch. And we're excited. Okay, pang number 3 kami sa pila. Ayan. Oh, look at that. Yun. So, ang na-discover ko dito habang kami kumakain, mga ilan dun sa kinainan namin, mga nakita ko sa mga influencers. Pero maganda rin mag-discover tayo ng sarili natin. Kasi 'di ba lahat naman ng kainan dito sa Japan, parang lahat masarap eh, 'di ba? Parang lahat pwede pang Michelin. So I think it would be good if kung content creator kayo, do your own. Ikaw mag-reco. Parang yung kinain namin kagabi. I-rewind nyo tong video na to. Sobrang highly recommended ko yung kagabi. Kasi parang medyo mura siya. Tapos, maliit lang yung lugar. Parang hindi pa nga siya discovered. Anyway, okay. So, kaka-pray lang namin. Dumating na yung mga pagkain. Kay Nate ay chicken teriyaki. Kay Mrs. salmon lunch. Ito ay pork ba yan, bro?
Sirloin, sir.
Sirloin. Yan, si Kirby ang aming guide and driver. And mine is the Wagyu. So, may mga iba-ibang sauce. May itlog dito. And may miso soup. Oha. Oha. Tandaan niyo yung pangalan. Gyukatsu Kyoto Katsugyu. Gyukatsu Kyoto Katsugyu. Basta yung pagkain ninyo, mga anak. Kagto naman ng boy. Ikaw. Artista to, no? Artista to, eh. Oh, nak. Basta. Ayan. Ganyan lang salta yan, eh. Kasi puro buhok.
He's been eating really well.
Oh.
Been eating a lot.
Okay. After lunch, we proceeded here to the Ariyashima Bamboo. Look at that. Ganda, oh. Okay, nandito na kami sa Dotonbori at gaya ng inaasahan, daming tao. Yun, nakita na namin si Glico. Nag-picture na kami doon sa Glico. Welcome to Osaka, honey.
Thank you.
favorite na kasi yan. Tsahan na napakasarap. Wala pa yung ibang pagkain. Ooh! Okay, may dumating na takoyaki. Yung...
Yakisoba.
Ano nga to? Silverfish. Yakisoba.
At night. It's the best.
Oh, dumating na yung okonomiyaki. Minute. How is it? Good? Okay, after shopping, hinanap ko tong Kuma Cafe. Alas 3 na ng hapon. At kakain na po kami. Kami nag-aalmusal. So, highly recommended tong Kuma Cafe kasi gusto nito ng burger. Kervin, kain tayo. Over here. Yes, ito yung akin. Bacon egg burger. Kay Kervin ay Kuma burger. Kay Nate ay Kuma burger. Wala pa yung kay Mrs. Ayan. Madami-dami din pala. Tapos may pizza pa.
Nalanghap ko siya.
Mozzarella.
It went inside my throat.
Parmesan.
I don't know what it is. Nalanghap ko siya. You want me to like cut it in?
Now I know.
Siya yung nag-order.
Dude,
I thought it was gonna be like medium.
ano yung pizza? Nasa mid ka ba,
Kaya
Hana?
pala.
Ay, anak, Han?
Kasi nalanghap ko yun.
Wawa.
It went straight
Mozzarella.
into my throat.
Try ko ngayon itong pizza. Type ba ito nito?
Really? Crunchy.
Yeah.
Sarap. So, nandito kami sa Maynara at mukhang pang last meal. Ayan, kasama namin si June Laling. Oh. Yes, sir. Anong name nito?
This one, sir, is...
Quick.
Agonoya.
Kagonoya. Ayan. Pag napadpad kayo dito sa Maynara, Kagonoya. And now for the test. Ni Omar.
Weren't they in Benta?
Oo nga.
Si June.
Super yummy food. Highly recommended ko tong lugar na to.
Lahat naman ng kinainan natin highly recommend.
Oo nga. How was your lunch, guys?
It was good.
Good.
We're going to Nara now to see Bambi. Okay, nandito na kami sa Nara. Kaya natatawa si Nate kasi nandito yung mga deer. Oh. Yes, hi. Sure. Hello. Cute. Hi. Hi. Ba't ka ba natatakot ko naman? Hindi. Ayan. Hindi. Cute, cute. Hello. Putol yung horns nila, no?
How do I feed it?
O, akin na. Ayan. Kainin mo.
Is it Minecraft?
Ay! Hindi, hindi.
Bow. Bow.
Depressed.
Nakakahappy. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Is that the poop?
Yeah, that's their poop. The deer.